So hello everyone. So I got several messages from the students who are still struggling installing the OpenSSL. I several times explained it about the installation of OpenSSL, but still some students didn't catch it all the materials. Sometimes they missed the classes and lectures, and so I still have messages from the students. So because of this one, I decided to make a recording the short video for you guys who is using Windows. The Windows users, guys, there is an easy option you have. So guys, we have the you guys just make sure you are subscribed for the channel of my cybersecurity 2024. So guys, you can find from here the OpenSSL for Windows, and when you go enter this link, you can find these pages, and here is a binary, and you need to enter here in zip section. When you enter here, it will be automatically downloading the file, and the file which is we needed for running the OpenSSL. So you don't have to install anything. So everything will be downloaded in your download section. So you can find from here the download section I already downloaded earlier. That the second one is also here. So when you enter here, you can find those files. You can see. So here, guys, you have to enter the bin file folder. And when you enter the bin folder, guys, so you are inside of the OpenSSL, and you can do all the installation, generation of private key, public key, and so on. So you don't have to install anything. So Windows users, you have to find the search section here. In Mac, there is no similarity with Windows. That's why I find one picture for you. So you have to go enter the, for example, you guys here, you can see here is the section of searching button. Yes, here. So you need to press here on top and delete everything. You need to delete everything. When you delete everything, you have to type, for example, you have to type CMD. And when you type the CMD and press enter, the terminal will appear on your screen. So in the Mac, we just search. We just search terminal here. But in your situation, you need to type from the here that which is the location of the folders here. You should type here the CMD terminal, like a command line terminal, and then you have to press and open the terminal for yourself, and then you need to start all the steps which I showed in all the steps from the RSA algorithm PPT file. So I just give the short explanation for the steps. So guys, I just recommend you you don't have to follow these two steps. You can skip because you're already inside of the location. So just skip this one because this is for making directory for RSA file. So we don't need it. We are already in bin file, in bin location. So when you inside of the bin, so just start from the generating of the private keys. So you have two options. You can choose this code to generate a private key, or you have another choose as well, the second one, or you can generate from here as well. It's up to you. It's all of them is the same. So generating the private key, it only differentiating with this one, advanced encryption system to 256, or you can give the size yourself in when you are creating or generating the private keys. So to check your private key, for example, you want to make sure is it created or not. Yes, just here you in your file you can see that cat. It's only suite for the Mac OS or Linux users, but for the Windows users, guys, you have to write the type command, and then you can check all those things. And also one things I have to mention for you. So when you see this kind of enter pass phrase for private, so you have to provide your password. So if you type any password, it's not visible. So don't be surprised. So just type any password you want. You will try. It was provided to attempt. The first one is for registration, and second one is for verification. But still it's not visible. If you type in, it's not visible. That's why don't surprise. Just type any password and you should remember not to forget, because you will use this passport in the future. So we will come back to the steps. So when you generating all the steps, for example, the first is for private key, and that one is public key. We have the public key generation key code is here as well, and we have here as well. So we have two options. Choose this one or that one. It's up to you. Okay, so that is the explanation also is provided for you. What does it means, all the codes, commands, and so on. So we do that's advanced form. You can change some size when you are also doing the advanced encryption system. It's just only key size. You sometimes it will be required to generate specific size of the key. So guys, so just skip these steps. We will discuss later because it's related to their format. We don't need it. Because we are discussing with PEM format. So then when you create in the public and private key, that you can see you have a public and private keys, and now you want to encrypt some kind of message to me. Guys, just take my public key. This is when you create in the public key, you will see this kind of PAM in your folder. Yes, just try to change in your file in different name. That one, for example, in this codes, you need to use my public one, okay, not yours. That's why you can find my public key from here. You can see this is my public key. Just try to download this one in your download file and try to change, for example, public/professor, for example. It's up to you. Just try to change this name and take this one from your download file and put inside of your bin. Take it and put it inside of your bin here. Just try to copy and paste here, okay, when you're downloading my public key. So when you're downloading this public key, you just change it. So now you are ready to encrypt the message and try to encrypt the message by using these codes, okay, by using these codes. But before that one, also you have to create a message .text file, and inside of there you have to type any message for me. I just recommend you guys try to type some unique something for me. For example, your name, your full name, or something unique. Okay, try to type in the inside of the text file some kind of message. First, for example, you can see in RSA algorithm, I got several encrypted messages from the students. You can see that one is all the students' work, and that is their decrypted messages. They are sending different messages. For example, that one is empty. 1 second, all of them is empty. Here is there is an encrypted message, which is, for example, yeah, they send some kind of messages here. Some kind of messages. I just opened these files from my private key, and that one they are sending to me, like they already sent to me, and I open it by using my private one. You can see this is my private one. I can only open when you use my public. So try to use this one in your codes in terminal. And if you have still any problems with installation or coding problems, just let me know. Okay, I hope this video is useful for you to understanding